everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to set your TikTok privacy settings. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your TikTok, and then what you can do is go on your profile, and what you'll have to do is click on any video. Now what you are gonna do is click on the three dots option right over here, and then on the bottom options you will scroll to the right and click on privacy settings. Now this video is for only friends. Now if you want your everyone to watch this video, click on everyone. If you want the video to be private and only you can watch it, you can do that. And next, what you can do is, if you want people to comment on your phone, then you can click allow comments, but if you do not want, just click on this button right over here and it will turn it off and allow you reuse of content. And if you want other people to do it, stitch stickers, and if you don't want it, you can turn that button off, but if you want it, you can turn the button on. This is how you guys can change your privacy settings on TikTok. I hope this video helped you guys to change your privacy settings on TikTok. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.